Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you that how you can check out the pages on Mewe and how you can follow them and view their posts as well. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we need to open our account, and after opening the account, as you can see, now we are in the home section. So we have to go to the pages section, and after going to the pages section, as you can see, you will be able to see different types of pages here. For example, I want to adventure in New York, so we have to click on this, and I'm going to click on this, and after clicking on this, here's an option for the follow. So if you want to follow the page, you need to follow it, and after following the page, as you can see, you will be able to see the all posts here. I'm going to page again, and let's go to the page section. If you want to follow a different page, you can also do that. For example, I'm going to follow this one as well, so we have to click on this, and after clicking on this, we need to open this page, and after opening this page, I'm going to cut this, and let's click on the follow. As you can see, now you will be able to see the posts of these page as well. So in this way you can follow the page and see the post of those pages as well. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can follow the pages and view their posts. So see you guys in the next video.